Do you have an overnight trip coming up and all you want to do is carry a travel weekender bag? Well, I got you. This weekend, I am traveling for an overnight with my hubby. I'm Christy with Travel Adventures by James and Christy. My travel bag that I carry is not that big, not too small, but it's perfect for me, and it opens up. It's not the one that I normally take when I travel. This is the one that I take just for the weekend, just for 2 nights. So all I need is a weekend bag. First thing you want to do is check the weather. Then after you check the weather, you'll start with your shoes, then go from your outfit to your accessories. If it's on the weekend, you're usually going to do a lot of walking because you're trying to get a lot in and a little bit of time. So make sure you take some good, comfortable walking shoes. You can take 2 pair, but normally you only need 1 pair unless you're going to something fancy. I don't normally wear shoes with heels, but if you have a shoe that you could wear with a heel to dress up and down, that would be perfect. I've had back surgery, so I have to wear shoes that are comfortable. So all those fancy shoes that I used to wear, I can't wear those anymore. I'm one of them girls that have to wear Teva. Now, if you know some comfortable shoes that are cute and fancy, but still won't hurt my back or my feet, let me know in the comments because I really needs to know. I be wanting to look cute too. I'll have in there a pouch with shampoo because of course I'm natural. So I'll normally wear my normal hair, shampoo, conditioner, styling product, and some moisturizer. Now, of course, I pack that stuff horizontally so that it doesn't take up much room. Actually, my shampoo and my conditioner are bars, less liquids that I have to have. I will have a smaller pouch for my makeup. It's perfect. I'll usually have a large eyeshadow palette that I'll usually take with me because it's just for the weekend. I always take my scarf, especially in the summertime, because sometimes it gets cool at night or cool in the morning. And maybe I have an outfit that's not too dressy, but something comes up and I need to dress it up. I'll take that scarf, put it around me, and kind of make the outfit look a little dressier, and with some jewelry. And the shoes, they just do what they do. So look from the legs up. So I'm going to be waiting in the comments for you to tell me because I really need to know. I always have my medicine bag, my charger, and my purse. I just throw all that inside my weekender bag. So I just have 1 bag that I'm carrying around with me to get to the destination. Of course, you know, I love to travel. I travel a lot with my hubby, but maybe you travel with your girlfriends or somebody. Everybody needs to just travel. It just relieves, is it endorphins? It just makes you happy. Let me know in the comments what you take in your travel weekender bag. And let me know where you're going to next in the comments. I love to know where you're traveling, what you're doing, what's going on. And even though I have my purse and my carry-on bag, I usually don't take the things out of my purse. Like it'll already have my wallet, my earbuds, my headphones, my portable charger, my eyeglass case, or my shades, prescription shades, because I can't see without. I have to have something on, like I'm blind as a bat. I have to see. I have to have those prescription shades if I'm going to wear them. Because I really don't like contacts that much. Now on my clothes and my carry-on bag, you know me, I normally still have 1 compression packing cube. I'll put my outfit in that compression packing cube to keep it organized, to keep it neat. I usually only have maybe 1 pair of pants, 1 dress, and 1 shirt, and 2 shirts. Because of course I've already got an outfit on, and if I don't take a dress, I will take a skirt and use one of the shirts that I'm already taking. And then if I need to dress it up, I just throw that scarf around to make it look dressier. If it's summertime, I'll take a swimsuit and a raincoat. If it's not summertime, I don't have a swimsuit. It's just my pajamas.